Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are tasked to express first 420 as a product of its prime factors living in index notation. We will attempt to do that first. Okay, so this one pretty straightforward. I'm going to use the successive division method. They give me 105 and I realize cannot divide by 2. I can divide by 3. They'll give me 35. Divide by 5. They'll give me 7 and divide by 7. And therefore 420 is equals to 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. Done. Part B. They want us to find a smallest positive integer of k, where 400 and k is a perfect square. Now, this is important clue for us. For a perfect square, the index, meaning, there's another word for index. Index can also, another word is the power, must be able to divide by 2 in order for it to be a perfect square. And so, from part A, we already know that 420k is actually 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. And 420k is 420 times k. And this happens to be a perfect square. Meaning all the power must be able to be divided by 2. So currently I only have 2 with a power that can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, yes. So, in order for this whole number, 420k, to be a perfect square, I will require some more because I do need to make sure that at the end of the day, this 420k, this whole number, can be, this one in this case is 2 square, 3, there is a power here, 5, there is another power here, 7, there is another power here, and all this power must be able to divide by 2. Currently cannot. Currently 3 is power 1, 5 is power 1, 7 is power 1. And so, if I were to make it to 2, this 2 must come from somewhere, isn't it? This 2 must come from, yes, come from k. And therefore, from here you can then see that actually, if I don't write as k, in order to make it 2, which is divisible, then this k, if I have 3 times 5 times 7, which is power 1, 1 and 1, then 3 times 3 does give me back my 3 square. 5 times 5 does give me back my 5 square. 7 times 7 does give me 7 square. And so, k, if I were to guess intelligently, k must produce and provide this 3 times 5 times 7, so that the whole thing, just so that the whole thing will be the perfect square, where the power is all able to be divided by 2. So therefore k is equals to 3 times 5 times 7. And what value is 3 times 5 times 7? 105. we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.